Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can delete a theme or themes in Figma. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to figma.com and log in to your Figma account. Once logged in, from the main dashboard, go to the left corner. From these options, we can view our themes here in all projects. So click there. Now, as you can see, this lists all the projects that you are working on. Do keep in mind that if you're only using a free version, you can only use or you can only have one theme. Now, how can I delete this theme project? First, right-click on it, and then you would see a drop-down menu. Then click on Settings. Now, you can either change the name, but to delete it, you will simply click here and move to trash. Now, it will make you confirm that if you move the project and one file to trash, simply click here. Now, our theme is deleted. To verify, simply go to trash on the left corner and then click on projects. And as you can see, this is the theme that we just deleted earlier in the video. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!